guys, it's Shelby. Welcome to my channel. So for today's video, I am just going to be packing away the Christmas decor and bringing out my everyday decor. I have changed up a few everyday decor items in my living room, so you'll kind of be able to see those things as well. Quickly before getting into the video though, I just wanted to pop on here and just wish you all a very happy new year, as well as thank you for coming to my channel and watching my videos. It really does mean a lot. I actually started this channel just to kind of motivate you, to inspire you to clean, decorate, kind of show how I decorate, also give you tips and tricks on organization. And I hope that at least one of my videos has helped you along the way. For 2021, I have hopes, not extremely high hopes, but I definitely plan on purchasing a home with my husband. If that does happen this next year, I can't wait. I will show you the entire journey, and that's one thing to look forward to in this next year for myself. I know we all struggled through this year. It was definitely a journey trying to embrace the new normal. I definitely had my ups and downs. I lost a family member. I'm happy to say right now that all of my family is happy and healthy, and that's all that I can wish for myself or anybody else right now. I really hope that you had amazing holidays and Happy New Year, and thank you for watching. So in the beginning of the video, I mentioned I changed a few decor items up in the living area. That includes this mirror. I originally had a clock here and had since moved it above the TV, so you will see that clock in just a second. I just had not filmed a before clip. So you can see the round mirror was originally by the front door. I moved it over the coffee bar, and I actually got a much larger, nicer, black rimmed round mirror that I thought looked nicer by the window. So I almost kind of swapped the circle mirror and macrame hanging in the entryway. Above the TV, I had a teal decorative mirror and sconces. I was so over the teal color, and this was actually my inspiration to switch things up in the living area. So I moved the clock that once lived above the coffee bar here and spray painted the sconces black for the meantime. I honestly hate these sconces and have looked for something else, but to be honest, I don't know if I'll keep the sconces in the new home. So I just decided to paint them black and at least blend in with the current decor to get me through for now.